Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. As you see, I have a laser level here. Um, I've had this for a long time. I've used it a lot. I haven't used it for a while. Um, don't leave your batteries in your appliances, folks. Don't be dumb like me. And so this is the model number. I don't know if you can still get it, but I'm sure they have a newer version of it, right? You can set it up on a tripod that you use for your camera. It comes with a clamp that you can clamp